Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by capturing the best raw audio possible. Place the microphone to minimize direct traffic, aim it away from the road and close to the source. Once positioned, set mic gain low so you don't amplify distant cars, and record a 10-30-second room tone that captures only background traffic. You'll use that for a noise profile. Also, make a backup take at a different position so you can compare. These steps reduce processing later and preserve voice clarity. Next, import your voice file and the room tone into a spectral editor or DAW. First, create a noise profile from the room tone so the algorithm knows what to remove. Then apply a spectral subtraction or noise reduction plugin with moderate strength. Too much creates artifacts. Once done, add a high-pass filter around 80-120 Hz to remove low rumble and use narrow notch filters for persistent honks or engine tones. Finally, lightly EQ to restore natural presence and check for breathing or sibilance. To finish, audition your processed file against the original to ensure natural timbre. You'll apply gentle multiband compression for level consistency and automate tiny fades to remove edits. Once satisfied, export at original sample rate and bit depth. If you notice metallic or warbling artifacts, make sure to reduce the noise reduction amount and rerun with a refined profile. Alternatively, use spectral repair to surgically remove problem sounds. If nothing helps, re-record from a slightly different mic position and compare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.